When was the last time you attended the Agricultural Society of Kenya show? Well, the fair is in its second day, and the President Uhuru Kenyatta is expected to officially open the event later in the week. With this year's theme being promoting innovation and technology in agriculture and trade, there was the presence of tools and machinery, with each having its purpose aimed at making work easier, creating employment, and a source of income. This annual event brings together farmers and innovators, school children, and perhaps, just perhaps, yourself.